Looking for the perfect tool to keep your lawn neat and tidy? Our guide to the best telescopic string trimmers highlights lightweight, adjustable, and powerful trimmers that make reaching tight spots in tall grass a breeze. Discover the top models that combine comfort, durability, and performance for effortless lawn care. Starting at number 1. SENIX 20V 12-inch String Trimmer and Edger. The SENIX 20V string trimmer is designed to make yard work easier and more efficient. It uses a single battery that powers all SENIX X2 tools, so you don't have to worry about multiple chargers or batteries. The push-button auto-feed system lets you quickly advance the trimming line without stopping your work. Its adjustable telescoping pole fits users of different heights, providing comfort during use. With a powerful motor reaching up to 7,000 revolutions per minute, it offers a 12-inch cutting diameter, making it effective for trimming and edging your lawn. What we like: universal battery compatibility, push-button line feed, adjustable telescoping pole, high-speed motor. Number 2. WORX WG-163.9 String Trimmer. The WORX String Trimmer 20V, also known as the WG-163.9, offers convenient features for your yard work. Easily switch from trimming to edging with a quick conversion. The innovative command feed spool system ensures instant line feeding, saving you time during your tasks. Adjust the handle for maximum comfort and control, while the rubberized twin wheel set guides the edger smoothly. The telescopic shaft lets you customize the trimmer to your height and posture, enhancing usability. With a 90-degree tilting shaft, you can tackle sloped and hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. What we like: quick conversion to edger, instant line feeding, adjustable handle for comfort. Number 3. Cordless String Trimmer for Milwaukee 18V Battery. The Clebaxa Milwaukee trimmer is designed to work perfectly with Milwaukee 18V batteries, so you can use the batteries you already have without needing to buy new ones. Its brushless motor is powerful and efficient, running cooler and lasting much longer than standard motors, which means you can get more work done without worrying about overheating. The trimmer is also very versatile, with an 8-inch cutting width and the ability to switch easily between trimming, edging, and mini-mowing, letting you tackle different yard tasks with one tool. Plus, its adjustable handle and telescoping pole make it comfortable to use, even on slopes or in tight spots, and its lightweight design helps reduce fatigue during longer jobs. What we like: Milwaukee 18V battery compatibility, efficient brushless motor, multifunction trimming modes, adjustable ergonomic design. Number 4. LOFINKU GCJ-Hong-TBM Cordless Weed Whacker. The LOFINKU Cordless Weed Whacker offers you a versatile 4-in-1 tool that frees you from tangled wires, making lawn care easier wherever you are. Its cordless design lets you trim wide areas and low grass comfortably. With 2 large batteries, you get longer runtime and reliable power, so you won't need to stop often to recharge. Weighing just 4.4 pounds and foldable for easy handling, it's gentle on your arms and perfect for all users, including women and seniors. The adjustable pole and rotating head allow you to reach different heights and angles, making tough spots easier to trim while keeping you safe with a built-in safety switch and stable 2-handed grip. What we like: cordless convenience, long-lasting batteries, lightweight and foldable, adjustable height and angle, safety features. Number 5. SENIX X2 20V 10-inch Weed Whacker Bundle. The SENIX X2 Weed Whacker offers a powerful 20V motor that spins at 8,500 revolutions per minute, giving you strong performance for trimming your yard efficiently. Its 10-inch cutting width and 16.4-foot line length allow you to cover more ground quickly, making your trimming and edging tasks faster. The adjustable 0 to 60-degree rotation helps you easily switch between edging and trimming for precise lawn care. Plus, the lightweight design at just 4.4 pounds and the telescoping shaft make it comfortable to use and easy to adjust to your height, reducing strain during long sessions. This tool is built to make yard work easier and more effective for you. What we like: powerful 20V motor, wide 10-inch cutting width, adjustable rotation for edging, Lightweight and telescoping shaft.